Hello there, and thanks for joining me on another one of my self-build series. I'm Jason Butler. In this episode, I'm going to be talking to you about all the things that we need to do to prepare before we start work, because we're going to be starting work here on the groundworks in just over a week's time. The first job we have to do is make sure that the site is secure. So that means we've had to put some security fencing, which you see here. That keeps the public and their pets out of the site. And we had to have soil samples taken, which we've had done here. So that's a guy comes in, digs a big hole to see what the soil conditions are like. And thankfully, our soil conditions are really good for both the foundations and the soakaways. The other thing we have to make sure that we've got is a mobile toilet. So that's coming next Friday, just before the job starts, so that all the contractors have got facilities there. And of course you need to have insurance, so we need to make sure we've got site insurance to cover us both for public liability, but also if there was any damage to happen to the structure or the building while it's being built. And possibly the most important thing that we need to do before we start work is have a site meeting with the two principal contractors. So that's my builder who's doing all the groundwork, and that's the company that's building the superstructure and building the actual house itself. And that meeting is going to be happening later today. That's between Dan, who's my main groundworks builder, and Steve, who represents the company that's building and erecting the house.